Hello and welcome to another update video about FETCH.AI. So on the FETCH.AI chart, we see a pullback at the moment. The altcoins are selling off. Well, Bitcoin is selling off a bit, but Bitcoin isn't doing much. The altcoins are suffering a bit after the rallies of the last few days. Fetch is currently dipping into a micro support area, which is located here between $1.18 and $1.27. It's the 78.6 to the 61.8 retracements of the rally that happened here. I mean, we could adjust it slightly, right? Or do we go down a bit? I mean, it's fine as it is. I could see this as an expanded flat this wave too. It's quite a sharp pullback, so we'll see if it holds. It's a small 1-2 setup, and the $1.18 level is ideally not breaking. Well, if it does, it will likely lead to invalidation. The invalidation point is the November low. As I said in the last few days across the sector for these altcoins, it is crucial to hold the November low, yeah? And some altcoins look a bit better from the lows, some look a bit more messy, and FET is a bit messy, yeah? It's a bit messy from the lows. The pullback looks quite sharp, and what's even worse is that the rally, obviously, yeah, from the August lows, it's just a correction. These are just corrective patterns, and as I explained, the idea is that we could have started here this fifth wave up, yeah? But it's just an ABC structure, that hasn't changed. The fact that it's an ABC structure, well, it's related to the idea that we're dealing in a larger ending diagonal in this C wave. I showed it to you in some of the last few videos, yeah? So this C wave is an ending diagonal, and it's a 5-wave move. The fifth wave is likely unfolding, and it started in August. But it's still a large ABC structure, and corrections can unfold in various ways. So there are just many options how these patterns can unfold. Therefore, expect the rallies or pullbacks or whatever, the movements, you know, until the end of this bull market and possibly even beyond to be chaotic, because we're not dealing with impulsive patterns. And this rally initially is a permanent feature. So it's an ABC structure, well, ABC, yeah, and this cannot be wished away. It's there and it's going to impact the entire rally, right? Unless we form a new low below the August low and start a new impulse to the upside. But actually, even then, the move to the upside will be an ABC structure, because the entire structure, zooming out a little bit, from the B wave low in 2022 is an ending diagonal. So all the subwaves are corrective. And we already completed waves 1, 2, and 3, 4, and the fifth wave is anyway usually the ugliest of all of them. So it's gonna be difficult. But what I wanted to share with you is here these key levels. So we are currently in a pullback. We're currently entering a support area, or actually already in the midst of it, micro support. And the next support is 125 and 118. Below 118, it's starting to get less likely that we're getting a turnaround in this pattern. It's already quite questionable and very ugly. So we'll see if it holds. If not, then this B wave is just resetting a little bit lower, and we have another attempt for a 1-2 setup. Key support for the bullish scenario in this cycle is 52 cents. So any break below it would really, well, question the entire bullish thesis. But for now, we're far away from that. So idea is that we could turn around here. Okay, if not here, then that B wave will reset a bit lower. But we just have to see then what the next support is here. There's some support at $1, the $1 level, of course, and then in that area here down there around 82 cents. But let's first see if we can hold this. I mean, that's currently the wave count, and we just need some reaction here in the, I don't know, next 1 or 2 days. That's the update about FET. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.